Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So we are starting from Nifty. So if we see Nifty in a daily time frame, it did not break our levels anywhere. So let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, in 15 minutes if we see the market opened, it gapped down, and it directly came down. So we did not get a trade here because market directly gapped down. It did not give us any entry. If you see in 5 minutes also, it exactly opened here. Okay, and it came down straight. So immediately this candle opens like this. If it sustains, I will trade, but I should have entered here, but I did not enter here. I did not trade this today. So let me just get rid of this. What I did was I did take a trade here. So this level, exactly at this level, I did take a trade. So I'm holding on to this trade. So if you see, we are at 1:2 now. In this trade we are at 1:2 exactly. So what is my action for tomorrow? If you see, Nifty is in a good resistance zone now. Okay, if it breaches, I'm gonna hold it till this level. That is, if it breaches successfully and sustains more, that is, if it breaches here tomorrow, or if it gaps up somewhere, if it spends some time here, I'm looking till this. Okay, so if it breaches 19,730, I'll be interested to buy. Only below 19,630 I'll be looking forward to sell. So this is my view on Nifty for now. So I already told you guys, this is a bullish pattern. Okay, the market did gap down, but you see the recovery was really fast. Okay, so here the buyers are extremely, they are extremely aggressive here. They are interested in this price, so they just took it out really fast. So, and exactly at this point we enter the trade. That is at 1 o'clock something we entered this trade, and we are holding it till now. We have reached 1:2, 1:3, or 1:4, 5 is how I trade. So this is for Nifty. Let's get into Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty I don't trade a lot. It's because the risk on Bank Nifty is for risky people. Okay, so risky people, they trade Bank Nifty. So what happened? See, it did not reach my level, so I was not interested. I did not trade this at all. What happened? Market did open exactly on our mark point. Exactly, it opened, but it did not give me a chance. It did not give me a chance to enter here, so I did not enter here also. It gapped down. It did spend some time. It broke down. I did not get a chance to enter here. It directly came down. Okay, so I was unable to trade this also. So again, it's the same story. So tomorrow, if the market comes below this level, that is 44,400, I'll be looking forward to sell. Only if it passes 44,800, I'm looking forward to buy. Till then, I'm not going to buy or sell in this. So Nifty we have a position, and Bank Nifty we don't have anything as of now. So let's get into US oil. US oil is very interesting, guys. Let me tell you what happened today in US oil. So if you guys see, we entered a trade here yesterday. Okay, basically we entered a trade here yesterday. I'm still holding on to this trade now, guys. I'm still holding this trade. Okay, has it hit my stop loss? Let me just see once. No, it did not hit my stop loss yet, because my stop loss is at 7735. It did not hit my stop loss. It is on a very high now. Okay, so market is spending some time here. So exactly, if you see, we entered here, and what happened was, because this was a resistance zone, I exited this trade last night. Okay, I exited this around like 11:30 something. I exited here because this is a resistance zone. Then what happened? Market gapped up open today, and it gave us an entry here again. That is, it came to test this support. I entered here. I had a small stop loss hit. Then again, when market came to the same level, I entered. I'm holding it till now, guys. I'm holding it till now, and my current stop loss is, this is what my current stop loss is. So I trailed it. I trailed it cost to cost. Then I trailed it till here. Then I trailed it till here. So if you see this trade, I'll show you. This trade is basically 1:7. Okay, we are sitting at 1:7 in this trade, current trade. Here I had a small stop loss, which was totally fine. Imagine if we would have held this trade from here. If we would have held it from here, it would have been 1:10 easily, 1:8, 1:8 easily. But it's totally fine. Sometimes you have to, because see, market can turn anytime. Why do we trail stop loss? It's because something suddenly, if it turns, you still have to capture the profit. Only see, in M2M, if it looks profit, it's great, but you have to book it to get it. In M2M, it can look green. It can look green, it can look 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 1000, 2000, 3000, anything. But until unless you don't book it, it's not yours. Okay, and market is very uncertain, it can turn around and go anywhere. So US oil, I'm still holding it. So what happened was 1:2, I booked half my profit, and rest I'm keeping it, I'm holding it. Now what is my next action is, so this, if you guys see in 1 hour time frame, this is a good resistance area. Okay, it is trying to breach this resistance area, and it's trying from a very long time. Okay, it has already tried once and it went straight up. You see, it's a very strong resistance area, that too in a daily time frame. If it breaches, then I'm looking only forward for a very long upside momentum, guys. Okay, I'm looking forward for a very long upside momentum, and this is a continuation pattern. Okay, this is how market goes. It'll continue, it'll go, now again it will pull back, then again it will go. So in this pullback is where people get stuck. Okay, so this is for US oil for now. So now let's see some stocks for swing trading. We have KSCL as a first stock. Let's go to weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, this is a good resistance zone. If it breaks, if it sustains here, if I see 1 or 2 more candle here, some bullish candle here on a daily time frame, I look forward to buy this, and this will be my target. So basically above 620, if market sustains, I will look forward for 730. Okay, on a buy side. Sell side, no, I'm not looking forward to any sell side, because the market's going, it's just creating high low high low. It's just creating higher high. If you guys see here, this is a higher high, this is a higher high, and this is a higher high. These are the lows. So this is a lower low, lower high, lower high. This is how it is going. So nothing more, nothing very complex, it's very simple. Okay, next let's see Union Bank. In Union Bank, there's a weekly time frame. Why do I show weekly time frame? Because weekly levels are pretty strong. If you guys see, just a minute. If you guys see, this is a weekly resistance zone. Today morning's support and resistance, if you guys would have seen, I would have explained to you how support and resistance actually works. So this is a resistance. Okay, it has breached. Now it is sustaining here. So what should be my next action? What I'll do is I'll go to daily time frame. Okay, I am going to enter this trade here with a small stop loss below this swing. That's it. This is how I'm gonna trade this, and I'm gonna trail my stop loss like how I usually do it. So this is my action for tomorrow on Union Bank. Next we have Indian Bank. See, all the banks are pretty high. It's an all-time high. Okay, so don't put all the money in one sector. I think Union Bank and Indian Bank should be more than enough. And in daily time frame, if you see Indian Bank, this was a resistance, it was broken, now it is taking support here. What happens once the resistance is breached? The resistance becomes support, and it's vice versa for the support. If the support is breached, support becomes resistance. So this is how it works. So now it has breached, it is trying to sustain here. If it sustains, we can look forward for a upside move. Next, IDBI in a weekly time frame. In IDBI, this was a very strong resistance in weekly time frame. It has been breached. Now it's creating a small candles here. That is, it is taking a pause. So if the price crosses 73 rupees tomorrow, I'm looking forward for a buy on the upper side, and my stop loss will be 62 rupees. Simple. It's that simple. Alright guys, so this is it for the market analysis for today. I hope you guys are getting to learn something, and please use this as references. This is not any tip or financial advices. Please support, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.